All right, let's talk about these microparticle sculpting shorts you've probably seen all over social media, sometimes under names like Paraju or Blue Shot. So, straight to it. Are they worth your money for weight loss? No, not even close. Despite claims like thermogenic fat burning, microparticle infusion, or detox fabric technology, there's no scientific evidence that any fabric can burn fat or change your body composition. That's just marketing language. What you're actually getting is pretty standard compression shapewear, basically a nylon spandex blend that smooths your midsection and shapes your silhouette temporarily. Now, the good. They do flatten the tummy a bit, smooth out love handles, and they're usually comfortable enough for all-day wear. They can also help with thigh chafing, which is a real plus. The bad? Misleading ads, overhyped claims, and the fact that the same product is sold under tons of random brand names for inflated prices. So the verdict? Skip them for weight loss. But if you just want basic shapewear, they're fine. Just don't overpay.